Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a boy Corey the Traveler, and I'm here live in our bedroom. Guys, yeah, so I won't be showing anything about our bedroom, just the background. And we just came a few days from Nairobi. We've been trying to settle down. Isn't your baby?
Yes.
Yeah, and today I just want to show you guys what we are doing today. Yeah, and a surprise. My father-in-law will be in this video, and also my mother-in-law. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be amazing. So keep it locked. Don't touch that dial. You know.
I think I got ours.
Yeah. So guys, that is my mother-in-law. Say hi to them.
Hi.
Yeah. So
how are you today?
How are you feeling to be in Kisumu?
Oh, I feel so blessed to be here, coming all this way and spending time with Sylvia and Corey. It's been such a restful experience. Just love it.
So it has been how long since you were in Kisumu the last time?
Probably about 2 days now.
But before you came to Kenya?
Before we came to Kenya, we left at home June the 6th. So it is
2020. Oh.
Yeah. It is several weeks now.
Okay.
So it feels good to be here.
Yeah. And
hey, I'm doing fine, but I bet he's asking when we were here last.
Yeah.
And it was for the wedding.
Oh, I didn't understand what you were saying, sorry.
What, in 2020? So it's been a little over 2 years.
Okay.
So it's good to be back.
Yeah,
wow.
absolutely.
Yes. We're resting and eating ugali.
Exercising.
Just, yeah. Having a good time. Thank you for that.
Yeah, so today my father-in-law is going to help us to fix these amazing pictures on the wall. They were here before we left for Nairobi, but when we came back they had fallen down, so he wants to make them, you know, to be at least firm so that next time they don't fall down again. Sorry. Oh, thank you.
Yes.
So there's another one here.
You're going to do that one.
I think I'll let you.
Okay.
Or maybe
I'm thinking I'm going to hit myself.
Oh, sorry. Let me do that one.
I'm a fundi in America. I can be a fundi.
You used to be a fundi?
Used to be a fundi.
Right there.
Very nice.
Thank you so
much.
much.
They look so beautiful. Yes.
Wow. Thank you so much for that.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Yes.
So the next thing that we are going to fix in this house, it's now here. Oops. So as you guys can see, we only have one shelf here, so we need to add another one here in the middle. So we just want to take some measurements.
About 30 inches, and it's about 13 and a half deep. Yes. About 14 inches by 30 and a half.
Okay.
And then we need to get these little pegs to put the shelf on.
All right.
It should be easy. Yes.
Amazing. So basically that is exactly what we are going to do today. And also another thing that we are going to do is to change the shower head in the guest bathroom. So we want to do just a few of the things here and there. And the house tour of this amazing apartment, it's going to take place today, and the video will be dropping very soon. The video of the house tour will be dropping very soon. So guys, hey, I'm very yeah, super excited about everything that will be happening today. So stay tuned, more to come, because I'll be going to town to buy the shower head, and also probably to get that piece of wood to put it in the cupboard. Yeah, so come along, guys. So guys, when I was talking about the shower head, this is now the shower head that we want to replace it. There's another one that I'm going to buy that looks a bit bigger than this. Then because of this red tape over here to cover the cables, I'm gonna use this tube. It's a flexible tube to, you know, to look much better. Let me show you like the way our shower head looks like. So guys, this is our shower head. As you guys can see, it looks amazing. So this is how we are going to make the other one looks like, to look like very good. And I just love this shower head. It's just the perfect. It has like a large circumference, and it produced like a lot of water. So yeah, so guys, I'm here with my father-in-law.
Yes.
And we are going to do some few things in town, and also to refill these empty bottles, and to buy the shower head that I told you guys about, and probably to get the other piece of wood that we need for the cupboard. Yeah, so yeah. So guys, we've just arrived here, the place where we are going to get our water bottle filled. I can carry this. So today I'm really getting some help from my father-in-law. So that is where we always get our water refilled each time. Yeah, so I just dropped my father-in-law in town. I'm also in town, and he wanted to take a walk in town a little bit, and right now I'm just going to purchase the shower head just here within the town center. And yeah, it's a very busy day, as you guys can see. So I'm just trying as much as possible to, you know, to be careful while driving on this road. So yeah. So guys, I'm here where I'm going to get my shower head. We just love this place. This is one of the places that we always love to purchase our electronic stuff, and it's called Modern Electrical. Yeah. So guys, I'm here at Naivas, as you guys can see behind me, and I wasn't able to get the shower head from the place that I just came from. So I just want to see if I'll be able to get it here at Naivas. And one thing that I like about this place is they just have enough parking space here, as you guys can see all these vehicles. So let us go and see if these guys have the shower head. So I'm already inside. and yeah, it's a little bit busy. Everyone is trying to maneuver mambo. So I think I need to ask that lady if she knows where I can get it. Yaji?
What?
Like after shower head.
Shower gel?
No, shower head.
Shower head?
Yes. Oh, yes, so I think she has given me the direction to where I can get the shower head. Yip to do, guys. Here is the one that I'm looking for. Amazing. Yeah, so I've just made up the purchase. I paid for it, and yeah, that was it was a quick one, but now very expensive compared to the last time we bought it. It's been close to a year now since we bought the other one, and all I can just say is the price for everything, it has gone up, but all in all, it's something that we needed, and it's just a slight difference. I'm so excited, guys. So let us go do some other things again. The shower is working so well, and the water is so hot. I just love this shower head. Very good, very good, very good. So guys, I'm still trying to fix this fan, this one over here. I want to fix it on the wall, but the wall it's very hard, so I need to look for a what do you call, I need to look for a drill, because I need to, there's a way I have to do it. So I was just trying to use a nail and a hammer, but it never worked. So I want to go purchase some of the things that would really help to hang this fan on the wall. Yeah, so